Area9's core focus is predominantly in delivery of enterprise class infrastructure and ICT services into the commercial and public sector in the Northern Territory. We deliver IT as a service into those organisations, whether that's through our cloud hosting data centre or whether we use on-site infrastructure with those clients. Area9 becomes the IT department for small to medium enterprise in those organisations here in the Territory.
The mining boom right now is obviously a big catalyst for the growth of our business. We needed some technology to allow the growth of the company to continue at that rate. We had an initial provider that set up about 2 years ago. We experienced a great deal of problems with that provider, so we went looking elsewhere and we found Area9.
New clients can expect a fully manned service desk who follow the ITIL framework.
ITIL is a mechanism by which we're able to ensure that our customers are dealt with effectively and ensure that we're delivering a best-in-class, standards-based engagement with our customers.
We have a large field team and remote team and in-house team, so depending on what sort of support they require, we can provide on-site support, remote support.
Basically every aspect of security that we can think of, we've implemented systems to protect our customer data. We perform daily backups of the systems, we then replicate those backups to another set of backup storage, we then export those backups to a set of tapes that are then stored in a fireproof data safe. We implement next generation firewalls, so they provide a very deep level of protection. Customer data is all stored in completely isolated virtual containers for each customer. Things like backups are stored in completely separate infrastructure.
Regardless of what business you're in, you still can tap into a central place. It just keeps all our information and our products and the stuff that we use commercially secure.
They can expect it to be clearly articulated in the contract what will happen with their data, how long it's retained for, how they can restore in the event of a disaster, and what's in the service, what the service levels are.
If a customer ever does want to disengage from us, it's very easy to give them all of their data, whether it's their production data or their backup data.
Area9 is something that we are very passionate about, working with people and creating relationships so we have an ongoing support.
From the outset, Area9 made it a clear goal to give back to the community where it could. We contribute, or we donate to a number of charities and not-for-profit organisations. So I think we're a company that what we do will help contribute to the growth of the Northern Territory.
The key to what we do is understanding what is important to a client so that we can make technology make them more competitive.
They actually evaluate the products for us, bring it into us, tell us the latest technologies, give us an honest appraisal of the value of those individual solutions, and it makes it very easy then to come up with the right solution. Another nice thing about Area9 is the fact that when they actually say they deliver on time, they deliver on time.